Welcome back. Time now 6:46 here on your Thursday morning. Some snow yesterday creating some slick spots out on the roads. You can see there's snow covered here this morning in Frankenmuth, and that's pretty much over the majority of our area here across mid-Michigan. That system is out of here though, but the road conditions are still going to create some problems for you as you head out this morning. So extra caution, use it. We've got some more snow to contend with this morning. However, it's nothing to the extent of what we saw yesterday. Just a few light flurries here and there. We had some light snow here at the station just a few minutes ago, I should say. And then this band of light snow will be clipping us here through Huron County. That will produce up to an inch of snow in the tip of the thumb. So you can expect that near places like Harbor Beach and then south to Lexington through Sanilac County. That potential will exist. But the rest of us, just the flurries and slightly warmer. I really hate to call it warmer. Let's just say higher temperatures, because we are 16 degrees warmer right now in Flint as well as Port Huron. But look at Saginaw, 9 degrees above where we were at this time yesterday, and that places us all above zero for a change. Yeah, it's like I said, hard to call it a warm-up, but at least we're on the positive side of zero, but still very cold. 1 in Bad Axe and Sandusky, 13 in Oscoda, 6 in Midland, Freeland at 7, along with Grand Blanc. There's a bit of a breeze to contend with this morning, and these winds are only going to get stronger, especially as we head to tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon, and we'll talk about that in a second. But right now, 5 to 15 mile per hour wind, creating wind chills below zero. It feels like it's 14 below right now in Gladwin, 3 below in Oscoda and Midland, 6 below in Freeland, and 5 below is the current feels like temperature in Lapeer. So that's what you're heading out the door to now. What's coming up next for you? Well, just a little bit of a snow chance this afternoon as this low spirals out of the state. There will be some lake effect snow in the western half of the state, so keep that in mind if you do have travel plans out west. But otherwise, let's talk about what's coming up for you tomorrow, because this is really the big story. Watch what happens with FUTURECAST. It gives us that snow chance today, but you'll notice something different. I normally don't put these white lines on here. You can kind of see them there. Well, those are lines of equal pressure, and when you see them getting closely packed together over a short distance, that means the winds are picking up. So this is 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, winds possibly over 20 miles per hour, and with overnight lows tonight dropping down to -5 or -6 degrees, the air temperature, that wind chill, could drop as low as -30 tomorrow morning. So the wind chill watches are up, and those winds stay strong all day tomorrow. And at the same time, look at the widespread swath of snow that develops across the entire Great Lakes area. So we're not only contending with strong winds that'll be blowing the snow around that's already on the ground, but then by tomorrow afternoon and evening, we'll be adding snow from the sky. What that means for us is, while there are no blizzard watches or warnings, and I'm not anticipating them to come out, we could see blizzard-like conditions out there. And the advisories that are out right now are winter wind chill watches, that's the darker blue, and in the lighter blue for our central counties, we're looking at a wind chill advisory. This goes into effect tonight at 10 and lasting until noon Friday, and that means that we'll see that potential for the wind chills to drop well below zero in the dangerous category where we were just a couple of weeks ago. So this morning, not a big deal for today's forecast, but again, cold tonight, windy tomorrow, snow develops in the afternoon. I'm thinking 2 to 3 inches of snow likely out of this system by Saturday morning, but the winds are going to be what's the bigger story out of it. And we could see whiteout conditions at times as you're driving. Now, Sunday, another round of snow is possible, but look at the Arctic air that moves in Monday and Tuesday. High struggle to get back into the single digits, Joel, after bottoming out in the single digits below zero again next week.